In this video, we will discuss some information security roles and responsibility related practice questions. Let us discuss first question. Process of mapping job descriptions to relevant data access will help in adherence to the security principle of. Correct answer is option B. That is principle of proportionality. What is proportionality? Principle of proportionality requires that access should be in proportion to the criticality of the assets, and access should be provided on need to know basis. Next question. Data custodian is primarily responsible for. Correct answer is option D. Ensuring security measures are in accordance with the policy. Data custodian is responsible to ensure that appropriate security measures are implemented and they are consistent with the organizational policy. Question third. In case of disagreement on security aspect between IT team and security team, the security manager should. This question we already discussed. Correct answer is option D. To refer the matter to the senior management along with necessary recommendation. Immediate benefit of a well-defined roles and responsibilities from information security perspective is. Correct answer is option D. That is better accountability. Next question. Prime role of an information security manager in data classification process is. Correct answer is option A. To define and ratify the data classification process. Which of the following is the area of most concern for information security manager? Correct answer is option D. Security projects are reviewed and approved by data center manager. An information security manager should have thorough understanding of business operations with prime objective to. Correct answer is option A. To support the organizational objectives. In a big multinational organization, best approach to identify the security events is to correct answer is option C, to develop communication channels across the organization. It will help in timely reporting of the events as well as to disseminate the security information. Question 9. Legal and regulatory liability is the responsibility of. Correct answer is option C, Board of Director and Senior Management. Question 10. Best way to gain support from management for information security project is to. Correct answer is option B, to conduct a risk assessment. Risk assessment will help the management to understand the areas of concern. Thanks for watching.